Ceramic coating sprays protect car paint from scratches, UV damage, dirt, and water, keeping vehicles glossy and easier to clean. My today's video is about top 5 best ceramic coating sprays that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at water-repellency ceramic coating for cars. The professional graphene ceramic coating elevates car protection to a new level. Unlike standard 10H coatings, this upgraded formula boasts 12H hardness, creating an ultra-durable shield that extends the lifespan of your car's paint. Its nanocrystal structure combined with a hydrophobic fluorine polymer forms a protective layer that guards against salt corrosion, bird droppings, UV rays, scratches, stone chips, and iron filings. Beyond protection, the coating delivers a high-gloss, wax-like finish, enhancing water beading so dirt and contaminants slide off effortlessly, making cleaning easier and restoring showroom shine. Its anti-scratch properties act as a sacrificial layer, preserving your paint from minor abrasions. Application is straightforward, simply clean, dry, and scratch-free the surface, apply with the included sponge and cloth, wait 1 to 5 minutes, then wipe and polish. Full protection develops after 7 days without water contact. The package includes all necessary accessories, making it complete and user-friendly for both beginners and enthusiasts. Now our second product is Cerakote Ceramic Paint Sealant Spray. The Cerakote paint sealant sets a new standard in car protection and finish, now boasting an industry-leading 50-wash durability rating. This enhanced longevity ensures your vehicle maintains its flawless look far longer than standard sealants. Its maximum gloss and mirror-like shine delivers professional-level results effortlessly, transforming your car's appearance right in your own driveway. Application is simple and beginner-friendly. Wash and dry your vehicle, spray a light coat on a panel, and buff to reveal an incredible shine. The extreme hydrophobic properties of Cerakote's true ceramic technology repel water, mud, road grime, and dirt, keeping your car cleaner for longer and minimizing maintenance. Additionally, the unsurpassed slickness of the finish provides a luxurious, glass-like feel that's impossible to ignore. Perfect for enthusiasts seeking long-lasting protection, mirror-like aesthetics, and effortless upkeep, this paint sealant is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their vehicle's exterior. Our third product is Adams Polishes Ceramic Spray Coating. Adams True Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating redefines car paint protection by delivering a legitimate graphene-based ceramic coating, unlike typical silica-infused products that only mimic real ceramic protection. With its patent-pending ceramic glow technology, UV tracers let you see exactly where the coating has been applied, ensuring complete coverage when used with Adams UV Flashlight, a game-changer for precision detailing. This user-friendly spray makes applying advanced ceramic graphene protection effortless, even for hobbyists. Its innovative chemistry seals paint, creating a durable barrier against UV rays, dirt, and contaminants. What sets it apart is its versatility. It's safe to use on painted surfaces, glass, wheels, plastic trim, headlights, chrome, tonneau covers, bed liners, and even canvas tops. Designed for convenience without compromising performance, Adams Ceramic Spray Coating is an essential addition to any car care arsenal. Made in the USA and backed by a 110% satisfaction guarantee, it ensures protection, shine, and peace of mind for every vehicle enthusiast. Now number 4, Savroa Ceramic Coating for Cars. The 20H graphene ceramic coating is a breakthrough in automotive protection, engineered with aerospace-grade nanotechnology to deliver 39% higher hardness than traditional coatings. Its exceptional scratch resistance shields vehicles from key marks, acid rain, road salt, and extreme temperatures, providing over 10 years of long-lasting protection and a showroom new finish. Beyond durability, this coating offers ultra-high gloss that enhances paint depth. Whites appear brighter, blacks deeper, and colors more vibrant, while repelling water instantly with a super hydrophobic effect. It also reduces swirl marks and scratches by over 80%, absorbing micro-scratches from washes and road debris, ensuring your vehicle maintains its brilliance much longer than traditional wax. Versatile in application, it protects paint, glass, wheels, headlights, chrome, exterior trim, and dashboards. The 3-step application is simple, using the included sponge, microfiber cloths, and towels. The professional kit, complete with 60 ml coating, gloves, and instructions, makes this an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking ultimate protection, shine, and longevity. And our last choice is Ethos Ceramic Car Coating. Ethos Ceramic Wax delivers professional-grade protection with a quick, wipe-on application, making it ideal for cars, motorcycles, boats, RVs, and chrome surfaces. Designed for both beginners and seasoned detailers, it simplifies exterior maintenance while providing effective, long-lasting results that outperform traditional waxes and polymer sealants. This premium ceramic coating enhances paint clarity, producing a deep, mirror-like gloss that gives every vehicle a freshly detailed look. Beyond aesthetics, it offers robust protection against environmental hazards including dust, dirt, bird droppings, UV rays, water spots, road grime, and oxidation, preventing fading and corrosion over time. Its improved hydrophobic formula ensures water beads and slides off effortlessly, keeping surfaces cleaner longer and reducing maintenance. Application is straightforward: wipe on, buff, and enjoy a streak-free finish. Ethos Ceramic Wax combines versatility, durability, and ease of use, delivering professional-level gloss and protection at home, making it a must-have for DIY car enthusiasts seeking a long-lasting, high-shine finish. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.